Don't let Connecticut's licensing requirements hold you back. I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability, and I'm going to show you how to get your general contractor's license quickly and easily. First, let's clear something up. Connecticut does not have a statewide general contractor's license. Instead, licensing requirements vary by local cities and counties. This means you need to check with each local jurisdiction where you plan to work, as rules can differ significantly from one place to another. Be sure to contact your local building department for guidance on their specific requirements. On the state level, if you're working on home improvement projects, you'll need to register as a home improvement contractor. This registration is mandatory for any contractors doing residential work worth more than $200 per contract or $1,000 in total for the year. This ensures you comply with state standards and can legally work on home improvements. Now let's talk about insurance. Most local jurisdictions in Connecticut require you to have general liability insurance to cover any accidents or damages that might happen during a project. Also, some cities may require you to post a bond as part of the licensing process. These measures are in place to protect both your business and your clients. Here is an example of the insurance certificate you will need. This document proves that you're covered and ready to work safely, which helps build trust with your clients. Now, if you're ready to get licensed and need help with your insurance, click the link in the description for a free quote today. Also, if you want more details about the licensing process, be sure to read the full blog. There's a link to it in the description for all your information needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more contractors tips. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and good luck with all your projects in Connecticut.